Welcome to Question Bank with Manisha ma'am. Let's play 25 quizzes on human brain. Which part of the brain controls balance and coordination? Answer is A. Cerebellum. Which part of the brain controls thinking and memory? Answer is A. Cerebrum. The brain is protected by which part of the body? Answer is A. Skull. Which part of the brain controls heartbeat and breathing? Answer is A. Medulla. How many hemispheres does the brain have? Answer is B. 2. Which organ works with the brain to control body actions? Answer is C. Spinal cord. What is the main function of the cerebrum? Answer is A. Thinking and learning. Which part of the brain helps in maintaining posture? Answer is B. Cerebellum. Which part of the brain is the largest? Answer is C. Cerebrum. The brain sends and receives messages through the. Answer is B. Spinal cord. What is the shape of the human brain? Answer is C. Wrinkled and rounded. Which part of the brain connects it to the spinal cord? Answer is A. Medulla. Which sense is mainly connected to the occipital lobe? Answer is A. Vision. The brain controls which of the following? Answer is C. Both A and B. What is the soft, jelly-like tissue that controls the body called? Answer is B. Brain. Which part of the brain helps us to remember things? Answer is A. Cerebrum. What connects the left and right hemispheres of the brain? Answer is B. Corpus callosum. Which part of the brain controls emotions and feelings? Answer is B. Limbic system. The brain uses which part of the body to send signals? Answer is A. Nerves. Which lobe of the brain controls hearing? Answer is B. Temporal lobe. What percentage of the body's weight does the brain approximately make up? Answer is A. 2%. What protects the brain from shock and injury inside the skull? Answer is B. Cerebrospinal fluid. Which side of the brain controls the right side of the body? Answer is B. Left hemisphere. Which part of the brain helps us to solve problems and make decisions? Answer is A. Frontal lobe. What is the brain made up of? Answer is B. Neurons. Thank you so much for watching this video till the very end. I'm sure you learned something new and exciting today. If you enjoyed the quiz, don't forget to smash that like button and subscribe to the channel for more amazing science, SST, and general knowledge videos. Want to keep learning? Just click the link on your screen and explore more fun quizzes and lessons. See you in the next video. Until then, keep learning, keep growing.